Have you ever thought about your health? Have you ever felt like your body is not working as smoothly as it used to? And do you ask yourself, at this age, do I still have enough time to change and live a happy, healthy life? In fact, age 50 is not the end, but the golden time for you to rebuild your life, turning yourself into a more perfect version. But there is a sad truth that many people ignore. Health does not come naturally, and any mistake in your lifestyle can push you to more serious consequences than you think. In particular, alcohol, a familiar companion of many people, is silently harming your body every day. Don't worry, this article will show you the most important health secrets that will help you build a healthier life, no matter where you're starting from. Perhaps no one is unfamiliar with the image of happy parties, meetings with friends and colleagues with a few glasses of wine. But did you know that alcohol is the most dangerous double-edged sword you can put into your body? Many studies have shown that alcohol consumption not only damages the liver, but also affects almost the entire body system. Alcohol not only directly damages liver cells, but also increases the risk of cirrhosis, hepatitis, and even liver cancer. But that's not all. When you drink alcohol, the ethanol in it is quickly converted into acetaldehyde, a toxic substance that causes inflammation and damage to other organs. People who regularly drink alcohol also face the risk of stroke, heart failure, and dangerous cardiovascular diseases. You might think that drinking a small amount of alcohol is safe, even healthy, but the truth is not so simple. Your body, especially after age 50, does not metabolize alcohol as well as it did when you were younger. This means that even small amounts of alcohol can cause lasting damage, reducing the body's ability to regenerate cells and causing it to deteriorate more quickly. If you're thinking, I only drink socially, it's not that serious, think again. Every time you drink alcohol, even just one drink, your body has to endure hours of recovery. The liver works tirelessly to remove the toxins, and if it happens too often, your liver will become exhausted. Along with giving up or limiting alcohol, diet is the most important factor in restoring health. You need to realize that eating is not just for survival, but also for nourishing the body and soul. A balanced diet of protein, vegetables, and good carbohydrates will provide the energy needed to maintain health. If you think going completely vegan is the answer, be careful. Protein deficiency can leave you feeling weak. Meanwhile, consuming too much meat, especially red meat, causes fat accumulation and increases the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Also, stay away from processed, greasy, or overly salty foods. After the age of 50, your digestive system no longer works as efficiently as before, and these foods will increase the burden on your stomach, liver, and kidneys. Instead, choose light, easily digestible foods, and always keep a moderate amount of salt in your daily diet. At 50, sitting for too long can become a silent enemy. Not only does sitting for long periods increase the risk of osteoporosis, it also causes poor blood circulation, especially in the lower limbs. This can lead to venous disease or even stroke. Spend at least 30 minutes a day on exercise. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can just walk, do yoga, or do simple exercises. This is not only a way to help the body stay healthy, but also improve the spirit, bringing relaxation and joy. Did you know that sleep is the time for the body to regenerate and recover? People who regularly stay up late, especially after the age of 50, are putting themselves at risk of Alzheimer's disease and neurological diseases. Lack of sleep reduces your body's ability to recover, leaving you tired, weak, and more susceptible to stress. Try to go to bed before 11 p.m. every night. A good night's sleep will help balance hormones, improve memory, and give you energy for the new day. 50 is not the end, but a milestone for you to start a new journey. Ask yourself, do you want to live the next years in pain or in joy and happiness? Don't let bad habits like drinking, staying up late, or sitting for long periods of time become barriers. Today, right now, you can start making a change. Love your body. Care for it like you would a house that needs constant repairs to last. Don't wait another day. Your health is the most valuable asset you have. Take action today so that your 50th birthday is not just a number, but a new, brighter chapter in your life.
Subscribe to the channel to get more useful knowledge. When you access link in the description. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you again.